Well, not all of my boxes are here yet. There are about 4 things that are still in transit. So the only thing that is missing, well, there are 4, like I said, 4 things that are missing from the unboxing today. One is the refrigerator freezer. That's missing. That'll arrive tomorrow, so you'll see that. The solar panels won't be here until middle of next week. And there are 2 more items that are arriving, and then there's a whole bunch of knick-knack stuff that needs to get here. But essentially, this is the haul, kiddies, right there. All right, so I think most of this, one piece you've already seen, Max Fan Deluxe. This should be the inverter, the 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. There are some puck lights here. These are the strip lights for along the side, and you'll see what that is in just a little bit. I think this is a water pump. This is a power center, and I think that's probably, I don't know what that is. Well, we're going to open it all up anyway, so we will find out in just a little bit. So let's open things up. Let me put you down so you can have a nice front row seat to what I am doing. Mr. Larry will be along shortly to do pieces of the unboxing. Right. Let's pop this puppy open first. And this is... Oh no, the water pump is right there. All right, sweet. What's this? Oh wow, and there's actually something else in there. That's... I have no idea. Oh, I know what this is. This is the transfer switch. Okay, right. That's an automatic transfer switch. Oh no, this is the transfer switch. I have no idea what the hell that is. Right. This guy, I have no idea what this is. Ooh, this is the power center. Yeah. Okay. This is the power center, which basically acts as my control switch, my fuse box, the whole 9 yards, as it were. So yeah, there's that. So let's get that away. Next time we don't be home until we actually have to use it. That's out of the way. Oh, this is the Renogy solar power controller. Sweet. So there's that. And these are the puck lights I chose. Let's take one out so you can see it. These are 12-volt puck lights. Very thin, very cool. I'm looking forward to those. Strip lights. And this guy, I have no idea what this is. Let's pop this puppy open. Oh, the wire. This is the wire that we absolutely need. Right, okay. So there's our, I think this is 12 and 14 gauge wire. Right, there's your power center. That, and I think this is the gasket for the Max fan. I think this is the gasket. I hope it is. Yeah, that's the gasket for, oh, and it comes with the tape. Sweet beans! Right. Right, so this will allow my Max fan to sit on my roof the right way, so I don't have to do some crazy stuff with it. All right, so the last thing to open is this guy. There we go. 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. There you go, continuous power. Look at that. I am in lust. All right, so there's my inverter, my power center, wiring, puck lights, solar charger thingy, strip lights, gasket, water pump. I have no idea what's in here, but it's a something that we ordered. And last but not least, the transfer switch right there. I'm sorry, transfer switch right there. That is it, plus the Max fan. All right. I think that pretty much wraps it up. Here's my new refrigerator freezer. I would add. At least I think it's a refrigerator freezer. Yeah, it's a refrigerator freezer. Wow. Kind of sort of small, actually. But there you go. There is my refrigerator freezer that will live right there. Actually, I'm going to show you exactly where it's going to live. I can't... right here. Right there. It's going to live right here. And it's going to get raised up just a little bit, about that high, to match my kitchen counter. And the top will open just like that. We'll be good to go. Nice. Wow. Okay. That is my, I got my refrigerator today. Sweet beans, baby. Our refrigerator freezer. At least I think that's with compressor. So yeah, I have a... I thought it had an actual freezing component. The picture says, the picture online looked like it had a freezing component. I hope we got the right one. Otherwise this one's gonna have to go back, but... Huh, okay, well, let's hope. Okay. That is all the news that is fit to print today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye!